Welcome to Unseen Macro World.
Camouflage is a remarkable survival strategy in the natural world. Various animals and insects have evolved to mimic other organisms or objects to avoid detection by predators, ambush prey, or protect themselves. The ant-mimicking spider is a master of mimicry. These arachnids have adapted to resemble ants in terms of body shape, coloration, and even behavior. Their bodies often feature a narrow waist that gives them an ant-like profile, and they may have appendages that resemble antennae. Some even mimic the jerky, ant-like movements to enhance their disguise. The primary purpose of this mimicry is predator avoidance. Ants are often armed with stingers or powerful mandibles and are generally avoided by many predators. By mimicking ants, these spiders deter potential predators that might perceive them as formidable prey. The beetle fly, also known as the humpbacked fly, is a member of the family Otiidae. These small, humpbacked flies have an appearance that closely resembles a tiny beetle. They often have a hard beetle-like exoskeleton and elytra, the hardened forings that are characteristic of beetles. The mimicry in beetle flies serves as a defense mechanism against predators. Many birds and other insect-eating animals are known to avoid or have difficulty handling beetles, which often have tough exoskeletons and may produce defensive chemicals. By mimicking a beetle, the fly gains protection from potential predators. Spider-mimicking moths, also known as bird-dropping moths, have evolved to resemble spiders. They mimic the appearance of spiders, often with false eye patterns on their wings, which imitate the multiple eyes of a spider. Some species also have wing patterns that resemble the silk threads of a spider's web. The primary purpose of this mimicry is to deter potential predators, particularly birds. Birds are known to feed on spiders, but they can also be dangerous if attacked by a spider. By resembling a spider, the moth creates the illusion of being an unappetizing or potentially dangerous prey, reducing the likelihood of being eaten. This species exhibits an impressive resemblance to a spider, with wing patterns that mimic the appearance of a spider's body, complete with eye-like markings. When at rest, it often positions itself in a way that enhances the spider-like appearance. Camouflage is a powerful tool that allows these creatures to thrive in their ecosystems by avoiding predation and gaining an advantage in the predator-prey dynamic.